Hello, the viewers. My name is Jani Yusuf. I'm currently working as math and computer science teacher. I've been working as a teacher for over 5 years now. I love impacting knowledge on students. I've taught in different level before, prior to start my professional job as a teacher. I've worked as voluntary teacher where I train or teach age of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 children on how to approach math problem. That is starting with the identification of numbers, on how to write this number, then how to what? Add and subtract and carry out subtraction. So, but currently right now, I'm teaching age 9 to 14 now. That is the one we refer to as secondary school year in Nigeria. I'm taking them math and computer science. In my class, I made the class an interactive class. I ensure that each and every one of them try to showcase the potential in them. For those who is finding the subject as a difficult one, I try to advise them and give them some tips on how to deal with the problems in math. And most of them, or let's say almost 95% of them, they are doing very well in that subject. I also have the experience in working as a computer science teacher. I've trained many of my students, or I've taught them how computer come in existence, right from the first generation down to the fourth stroke fifth generation that we are now. How the first computer was invented, right from the one we call abacus, down to the one we are using now. And then what is the benefit of the computer, or what are the benefits that computer is doing to us in this world right now? Because without the existence of these devices, we won't be able to interact with each other around the globe. So I train them on what does this computer comprise in. The one they can see, that is the hardware part, and the software part that's making the hardware to communicate with each other. Those who have the interest in inner part of the computer, I also try to let them know what are the things that computer comprises. The fan, the CMOS, the CPU, what is on the boards inside the computer entirely, and let them know what is inside it. Apart from teaching, I also love working on farmland. Yeah, I love working on farmland. I can remember when I was in university, one of my lecturer instructed all the students to go to the farm. So at that time that we mostly find it difficult to feed ourselves, we eventually go to the farm and try to pick from the woods, try to harvest. We we harvested some of the crops that we planted earlier on. So at that time, when the lecturer asked us to go to the farm to do such a things, we see him as someone who is trying to uh, give us hard work. So at the end of the day, when we need those products, we started pressing the man. So since then, I love farming. I did go to the farm to pick some of these farm products, and the falling fruit, the fallen one on the ground, I tried to pack them inside a basket and move them out to this store in the vicinity of the university. So I love working on farm. And I've also worked as an administrative officer for 2 years together with the teaching jobs I'm doing in my current workplace now. You know, I interact with the parent whenever they want really complaints or try or make an inquiries. So I answer their words, their complaints and inquiries, and I try to calm them down and see the organization working now as the best, as one of the best organizations they will want their children to be in. So I like to bring development to the organization I'm working now. So right now I'm looking for more. I'm looking for an opportunity where I can explore more about myself, and I would love to have one over there. Thank you, the viewers. Thank you again.